This is John. John is an assistant accountant earning $5,000 per month. His monthly expenses of $8,000 outweigh his income, leading to outstanding bills of $3,000. Looking out for other ways of making money, he found internet marketing products online. Tempted to add more to his income, he indulged in buying these products, which caused a big hole in his pocket and confusion in his head. Daily, his inbox was loaded with hundreds of internet marketing products, no clear direction, unsolved technical complexities, false promises, and unsuccessful attempts. He had no one to talk to about these problems. Everything on the internet started looking fishy to him, compelling him to quit. What's the solution? Live with Karen J. Singh is a one-year journey to learn step-by-step internet marketing techniques through live weekly coaching, covering hot internet marketing trends with weekly assignments and dedicated guidance to build income-generating websites. To top it all, have someone to talk to regarding your problems. Join the course for first 2 classes for just $1 and decide for yourself. Remember, learn before you earn. Click the below link to know about the complete structure of the course.